Hello there, Mr. Young.
Hello.
Tell us about your dream.
Well, when I'm in the subway, I treat every day like I'm at Madison Square Garden. So now I'm on America's Got Talent, and that dream might come true.
Yes. So which song are you singing for us today?
I'm gonna sing A Change Is Gonna Come.
Love that song.
Good luck.
Thank you. I was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's up there beyond the skies. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. There's been times when I thought I would last too long, but now I see that I'm able to carry on. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. Yeah.
That kind of makes me nervous.